Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn something fun. Adverbs. Adverbs are special words. They tell us more about actions. Adverbs tell us how, when, and where something happens. Look, he runs fast. Fast tells us how he runs. See this. She walks slowly. Slowly tells us how she walks. Here's another one. The bird flies quickly. Quickly tells us how it flies. Now let's see when. They eat breakfast early. Early tells us when they eat. And here, they sleep late. Late tells us when they sleep. One more. He will come soon. Soon tells us when he will come. Now let's learn where. The ball goes outside. Outside tells us where it goes. And this one, the cat stays inside. Inside tells us where the cat is. Here's one more. The dog runs away. Away tells us where it goes. Adverbs tell us how, when, and where. Great job, kids! Now you know about adverbs. Keep learning with Amazesphere, kids.